welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a minute, but we are back with another video. So today's video will be a hair review on Bling hair. They were so nice to send me a wig to review for them with. It is a 13x4 22-inch wig and it is 180 density. And y'all, just look at this wig. It was so nice, so luscious, so long. It had a lot of volume to it. The lace wasn't as like transparent, but I was still able to work with it. You guys will see later. But yeah, it also came with baby hairs and it was a bit pre-plucked, but I went ahead and plucked off camera. Y'all, just look at the body. It's so nice and shiny. So with the packaging of this wig, they did give me clips, they gave me stickers because it was around Halloween. They also gave me lashes and an edge control brush, and they also gave me sticker edges and a free wig cap. I did go ahead and plucked off camera, but this is how I did it. You know, I'm still trying to learn this plucking stuff, so bear with me. So with this style that I was going for, I was trying to go for a deep wave, deep curl hairstyle. So as you guys can tell, I'm twirling the hair with the flat iron. And I went ahead with the flexi rod after I curled it with the curling iron so that it can hold and be able to hold all day. Y'all, flexi rods are like my best friends when it comes to this wig stuff. They literally lifesavers. I love them. Even if the curl didn't curl right while you were curling it in the curling iron, you can still wrap it around the flexi rod and it will still make that perfect curl when you take the flexi rods out the next day. This was probably my favorite curl. Y'all see that smoke out of my curling iron? Yeah, because that curling iron is the bomb, but this was definitely my favorite curl. It curled so perfectly, guys. Y'all see that? And also, it didn't curl that fast. Please hold it for at least 10 seconds. I just cut the video like that. But yes, that curl was so beautiful. So at this part, this is what the hair looks like, all curled up on the wig, ready for the next day to be taken down. I did spray it with Got To Be so that it can hold for the next day and hold really, really good. So as I'm taking down the curls out the flexi rods, like they were coming out so beautifully. Like I love them so much. It was so bouncy and so full and so shiny. It was just everything. So y'all, I did forget about my wig stand at my apartment, so I did have to use this table to record this part of the video, but you guys are still able to see everything so you guys can get the gist of what I was doing. But yeah. Like, I know y'all see these curls. Like, look at the hair. It's just everything to me. So my favorite product, y'all, is BioSilk. It's a straight hair's best friend. It's curly hair's best friend. It literally makes the hair so shiny and so bouncy with so much volume. Y'all should really invest in this product. I promise you it's completely worth it. I use it all the time. It's literally my best friend. So at this part, I'm using a wig glue that I actually bought on TikTok called Lace Be Gone. Y'all, this glue is everything. I will definitely make another purchase again. And my next install, I'm going to show you guys what the glue really does. Like, the glue literally does not leave your head. The wig does not move, y'all. For real, for real. Y'all can see my friend Victoria helping me with my hair, me cutting out the ear part, y'all, because I was struggling with curly hair. I didn't see what I was doing, so she definitely helped me. Thank you, V. But do y'all see our skin though? Like, our skin is popping, y'all. Clear skin gang, where y'all at? Where y'all at? Y'all should definitely invest in Care because I promise you guys it's totally worth it. It's completely worth it. So for this hairstyle, I did want to do a no part wig because I've done my first time doing a no part wig was so cute. I loved it so much, so I did want to run it back. Y'all, I'm putting this mousse on my hair by Argan Oil Cream of Nature. I think my favorite mousse for edges or baby hairs with wigs is Lotta Body, but at the time I ran out, so I only had Cream of Nature, which is still good, but I do prefer Lotta Body. But you know, Cream of Nature is also a good one for your baby hairs. As you guys can see, I did make the wig very transparent while I'm putting this concealer on by Pro Concealer. Y'all should really get that too. It's really good for your wigs. And that's the end of the video. I know y'all see that lace. It's giving lace wear, y'all. Like, y'all know how that lace was before at the beginning. Now this is what it looks like now. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my video, y'all. Like, I love y'all. Y'all stay tuned for the next one. And bam, I look good, y'all. Period.